Hello world, how are y'all doing? How's everyone doing? Hopefully everyone is safe and sound. This is a special video. This video I'm not going to talk about Open Roads Designer because that's what I usually do. In this video, the two programs we're going to be working with is SketchUp Pro and Lumion. So first, let's just give you the introduction and what I'm trying to do. Okay, us engineers, we understand these, we understand typical sections like this, but when you're dealing with the public, when you're dealing with stakeholders who does not understand engineering, so instead of showing them this, it's usually showing them something like this will be great. When I say will be great, because it will be easier for them to visualize. If you have existing condition and proposed condition, you can create two of these and show the change that you are doing in a 3D fashion, and it will be easier for you to explain and it will be easier for them to understand. So I wanted to do one of these, and when I first got introduced to these, I just did as everyone do, just Google it and see how they did it. I don't know, was it Photoshop? Was it, what gave you the power to do that? Of course, after doing all that, I found out that it's SketchUp and then Lumion to add the finishes touches. We will talk through that. So if you just went to YouTube, I want to shout out to these people, Civil FX. They actually have the whole thing here. See, it's 3 minutes 46 seconds video, and they're literally drawing the whole thing, but they're just doing it so fast. But they are doing it. They are explaining everything. They are adding the colors, and then they will show you they're going to take it to Lumion and add the finishes touches. So they forgot here to do a sidewalk, so they're going to have to go back. See, they went back again to SketchUp because it's two programs. You start working in SketchUp like this, and then you transfer this, import it here, and here you get to add the finishes touches. When I say that, I mean the trees, the cars, pedestrian walking, buses, all that. And you could get a snapshot of a picture, or you can actually render it and make them walk and record a visual of that. And you can do before and after if you want. So yeah, there are these people, they're not explaining it how to do it, but it is here. If somebody is interested in go watching 3-minute video. The other thing that I found out and I thought it's cool is this one. Oh, not this one. Where's the Beyond? Here we go. It's from this company. It's a video game company, but they do a lot of other stuff. Epic Games. So are basically explaining here, this is like a glorified commercial for them. They're telling you how their program actually is able to do this visuals within one program. You can do everything within one program. It's not two programs, it's just one thing. And of course they have a link and they want you to buy it. Or you can try it free too. I think they have a trial too. It looks cool. It looks like it's something interesting. And also, by the way, the Civil Effects, of course, they are doing this and they have, I'm sure they offer their services for money too. So yeah, so that's what's in the internet. But now what we're going to do is we're going to work in it. We're going to do something. And I'm going to show you how to do it from the scratch up. And you need these two programs. So let's start. We're going to start with the program SketchUp. Okay, as you can see, when you first open it, this is like just my recent work that I've did, but let's just, you basically need to pick a template. Anyway, a temple. Let's just go with simple inches. It depends. It's all about what you want and what's your preferred system. first thing you're gonna get is this. As you guys can see, I'm zooming in, zooming out, and then you can rotate using this tool. Before we do any of that, let me just, these tools does not come with the program. I had to bring them out. So what you do is you hold right click here and you get to select which tool do you want. See this one, we don't want it, but if you want it, you can have it. I mean, any of them. Selection, I can remove it. See, it's gone, and then I can hold. Oh, what happened? Let's click here and then click here. Let's go selection. Yeah, like I said, all these said selection is actually section. I'm sorry. So all these tools, this is how you bring them. So let's get to work. Let's not waste time. So the first thing I like to do is this lovely guy is basically just to show you the 3D that you have here, and it's literally moving with you. You can keep it for visual aid, but if you don't want it, you can just remove it. I usually just remove it. I mean, there are other ways of removing. Just click on it and then just delete or erase. That's it. So let's start drawing now. So just first thing is the blue is the Z, and then the X and Y is the green. I mean, it depends how you are rotating it, but when you draw, just pay attention where it's gonna go. You can go here, you can go here, you can go up. So what we want to do is we want to go up, and also pay attention here. This is the length, and you literally can actually write while you're drawing. So let's see, we want to do it as what, 4 feet? No, 4 feet is a lot. Well, yeah, we can actually, sorry. So yeah, 4 feet and then enter. So you see it drawed it for me. And then let's just start drawing the road. So click here again, and then I want to go, you see I'm on the red. It's telling me that it's in the red. See, it's in the green, it's in the blue, but I want it to be in the red. The road we want to do is, let's say the 1111. You can add a little bit of for curb and gutter. Let me look at the typical section. Okay, so 22. Yeah, we can do 22 feet. Enter and go down. I mean, it's up to you how to draw it, but basically that's how you're gonna draw it. And then after that, oh no, what am I doing? Yeah, you see it look tilted, but it's not tilted. You just have to pay attention when you're drawing it, which color it's showing. Let me show you what I mean. It's not tilted just because I'm tilting the screen, but it's actually not. So just how you are leaving it. So these gonna be our 2 lanes, and then let's do curb and gutter. You can be as good or as detailed as you want. It's up to you. So I'm just doing 1 1 and then go up also 1. Like I said, you can go as detailed as you want. And then let's go down. Okay. And let's also close it up. Okay, and then let's go here. Let's say we want this. I usually just go here like this, middle to middle. Okay, don't embarrass me now. Okay, you're really embarrassing me. Okay, let me do it like this. Let's click on this. Yep, something like this. And then we can do something like this. And then let's just delete this extra stuff. And when you delete them, it will automatically take over the shape that you want it to be. So this is going to be our gutter. Let's add a sidewalk. Let's make it 5. Oh, let's make it 5. Lovely sidewalk. And then let's add some green area. Make it 7, I guess, or 6. Again, when you're doing this, you're gonna have a typical section with you and you're just gonna try to mimic it. So I did this side. What I'm gonna do is let's just hide. Oh, I forgot we cannot do that, but we can actually copy. Can we? Yeah, we can. Sorry. But I don't know if he's gonna let me copy all of them. Yeah. Here we go. So I just clicked on them and they Control and then Control C and then Control V. You will copy it. So now I have it like this, but I want to rotate it. So let's just first put it here. And then after that, hold, click, and they have flip along. We want it to flip along the red. This is the red. So let's flip it like this. Ta-da, you see it flipped it. And then after that, click on the move and come here and you can move it wherever you want. I want it to come here. And that's it. Ta-da, you got your baby. Let me see if I did this is gonna, so this tool here, pull and push, is the one who actually gonna give us the road. So what we're gonna do is gonna do this. How long should we do it? Let's just do 100 feet. And then let's do the same for here, 100. I'm sure there are some shortcuts that I don't know about, but as the magic of programs to me, I mean, you can always find ways to do everything. Just take the time to Google it, or maybe find the channel like mine of somebody who just like to share. I mean, people like me exist. I know in this industry, not a lot of people like to share stuff, because stuff like this make money, like especially for engineering. They use stuff like this to impress DOT, to impress people who work. So small company, if somebody knows about this, they usually don't tell people how to do it because they're gonna be afraid, oh, you're gonna take their job. By the way, what I did is as you can see, it's basically this lane here. We assume it was not there. I just deleted it. Let me just show you how it looks from the bottom. You basically just close the gap. Just add in the line, the program automatically will understand that this needs to be a 3D shape and it will be covered. As you can see, here we go. It's a full-on block road. Okay, so now what we can do is let's do the white lanes, I guess. So well, something beautiful also, when you draw this as one, it will automatically tell you where's the midpoint, which is good. And again, I want to draw on a green, so I'm just gonna go till here and then go to this midpoint here. Yeah, I can just do it on one side and then copy it. What I'm about to do is a little bit ratchet because I know they are an array tool, which I don't know how you do it, but like they say, when you are lost, just go to the basics. So Control C, Control V, I have the other lane. And then Control C, Control V, I have it here. That's a big, that's not gonna work. Interesting. Yeah, that's what I want. Oh, you see, sometimes you do this, you see it gets stuck. So what to do is, let's just escape. Let's just delete it. And then let's just copy this. And then bring it here. Okay, and that's gonna be our white lane. Again, I'm just doing this with no measuring. I usually, if I'm really trying to impress somebody, you need to have the proper measurement. You just need to know visually if this is the measurement you want, make sure it's the same measurements gonna be in all of them. So what I do is I can copy it like this, Control C. Control V. Yeah, and they usually this is gonna take a lot of work, especially when you draw arrows. You can actually draw arrows here. And I also heard they have like the warehouse 3D, you can get stuff out of there. So what I'm gonna do is right now, I'm just gonna do one of them and then pause the video and then come back for you guys so you can see the final product. Okay, I'll just do one of them. When I say do one of them, because I still need to have also the space between them, so I'm just gonna make the space. Let's say this is the space, so basically delete this, delete this, delete this. Oh, Control Z, you can go back. So this is our first pavement mark, and so I'm just gonna mimic all these here and do them here, and then we'll come back. Okay, we're back. I don't know why I draw those lines. Well, I know why, because I was gonna do something, but for the sake of time, I'm not gonna do it. So what I'm gonna do is just do this and then Control C, Control V. Let's go back here. And I hope this video will help someone. Oh, boy, why aren't you stuck in here? Okay, yeah, ugh, pisses me off. Sometimes that's what it do. Let's add the lane then. Now let's select them. Control C, Control V. Okay. Now let's move it. Hahaha, I got it. Let's delete this. And then let's click on this and move it. Okay. So now if we can click on this, see I'm clicking in the middle. See the dots? It's basically doing that. So what we're gonna do is let's do Control C. And then Control V, and then we can have it. Okay. Regular, yeah. Not regular, but but you guys, you get the gist. I'm just trying to do it so fast. Usually I take my time. I am OCD, I take my time, I draw lines and a lot of sketches just so I can have the proper lines. But with that, again, the last step is just copy this. Let's highlight all of them while I'm holding Control. And then the last, this one, this one, this one. And then let's do Control C, Control V. And then let's bring it here. Try to put it in the middle. That's it, we have it there. Really, now you want to move? Don't move, babe. Okay, and then we can just delete what we don't want. I'm just clicking on it and clicking. Oh, Control C. You can do a lot with keyboard. So I'm clicking on it and clicking on delete. So selecting it with the mouse and clicking on delete. That's what I'm doing. But I promise you, when you work on it so fast, when you take your time and learn the skills, it's gonna be... I see these is showing me that these are actually not aligned, but it's okay. I'm not gonna submit this. This is just for practice. But these small details usually will make it looks even amazing. Okay, good. Oh, what are we doing here? Here we go. Just want to go to the bottom. Where is this? Oh, what the heck is this? Oh, look at this. Let's delete it. We don't want you here. Go away. Yeah, because when I was drawing it, I think I select the different axes, so we draw it in the bottom. So we have this. Let's say, for example, we have a building, and when you say we have a building, let's say we have a building here. When you say a building, I mean, for example, a gas station, right? Okay. So, and then let's just go here. Okay. No, I shouldn't do that. So let's say this is the gas station. Go down here. I'm just gonna draw this as just for example. I mean, the possibilities with this program are amazing. But I just wanted you to see that you can actually draw a building if you want. And also, you can modify the curb and gutter and put like the entrance by cutting these and just snapping the 3D. It's not that hard to do. But for the sake of this exercise, we're just gonna do it so fast. So that's it. We have our model ready. Oh, forgot. Let's not leave it naked. Let's close it. Let's look at the back. I mean, you can be as detailed as you want. It's up to you, the designer. Since stuff in the back, they don't matter. Honestly, they don't matter as they don't. Because they're not gonna show. So it's like what I just did here. Since nobody gonna see it, it's in the back. Even this, I'm gonna leave it. I'm not even gonna close it. It doesn't matter. Because when we're gonna take it to Lumion, this is the view we're gonna have. And that's all it matter. The last thing what we usually do is just to try to put some layers for asphalt. Yes. Okay. And then let me do this. Perfect. No, I want you down like that. Gonna be the sod area. And like I said, you can delete. Oh, no, go back. You can delete anything you don't want. So we got this. What else are we needing? Yes, we're gonna need this line here. Oh, so it's the same, so I don't have to draw it there. Oh yeah, just do that. Okay, so yeah, that's it. We got the levels, the layers, I mean, and yeah, we are good to go. Let me just close this like this. Yeah, we are good to go. So now the last step before we do is let's click on the bucket and just put some colors. So you can actually go here to have asphalt and concrete. So let's just select asphalt, new asphalt. So we want these to be asphalt, and you have to be careful which you want to color. So you click on it, you activate the tool, and then you come here. See, that's it. Oh, I just remembered we're gonna need something in the middle. We're gonna need a yellow line. I think so. Oh God. You know what? Let's just... This is a fantasy road. Okay, let's just make it. It's not that hard to do, so let's just do it. Let me just copy this. Control C, Control V. Let's put it next to it. And then Control C, Control V. Let's put another one here. Yeah, it's okay for what we're trying to do. And then let's do the coloring. So let's go colors, start with the yellow. again, the purpose of this video is just to show you the tools. Please do not think this is a real design. I'm just having fun with it, and I hope you guys are having fun. By the way, I selected white and I'm painting white. So cool when you like paint it like this. By the way, I hope you guys like the music. It's funky music. It's called Trip to the Moon. Come on, color. Give us some color. Here we go. Yay! That's it. We got our road. Ooh. And also something else I like to say, when you color the same things, make sure you use the same shade of white. Like I colored, this is white, I used this, the M00, I think I didn't use M01. So I made sure all of them are the same. When I say that, because when you take it to Lumion, Lumion sometimes confuse them. If this is M00 and this is M01, sometimes Lumion will just confuse it, and it will be easier for you to color, because when you go to Lumion, you just click on one of them, you will color everything that have M00. So that's another thing. So also the asphalt. All the asphalt that you have need to look like that. And then let's go back. Let's go back to asphalt again and concrete. Let's just select this brick. I'm gonna color these like that. And again, the same other side, because Lumion need to pick up the same light, I mean the same color. And then we have this for the sidewalk. Let's put it the concrete. I know it might look the same to you here, but it's actually not, because they are different. Actually, they look the same to me. Interesting. Okay, let's go crazy. Let's put it this color. It just look like metal, but it doesn't matter. The finishing touch is gonna happen in Lumion. Do you have, okay, stone. Yeah, let's put the building too here. Let's color the building. It's too dark. And then let's go to wood. No. Yeah, let's use the here sand, the bottom layer. And then let's use one of these. Okay, look the same. Just gonna add these here like this. In the middle, I want to add a different layer, maybe something darker. Okay. Yes, we need the grass area. So let's go to colors. Let's go to green. Yeah, and one last thing is, I want to make this 7-Eleven building, right? I mean, you can be as detailed as you want. Like literally, I can actually carve it here and do a door or the driveway. You can do that. It is doable. You can do that. It's not that hard. But for the sake of time, we're not gonna do that here. Just let's say 7-Eleven logo. And I usually type PNG to high quality pictures and just go to images. See, I already see this one is good. So let's just save it. Oh, download. Okay. Yeah, I'm trying to do this video as descriptive as I can, because this is the details that matter. This is the details, really. Hold on, what's going on? Okay, yeah. We don't want to pay for that. I just want a free picture. Let's just, you know what? Let me just save it straight up from here. Desktop, 7-Eleven logo. Okay, yeah, we are good to go. So you have file, you have import. Hold on, is it import or insert? Yeah, it's not that, it's the insert. Yeah, Not the import. Okay, where is the insert? Huh. Okay, I need to pause the video for a bit. I'm actually gonna Google it because I did it before and I forgot how. I'm just gonna Google it. Okay, I'm back. So this is what happened. It's still. God, I mess with a lot of programs. I even forget. It is import, so you just click on import. I mean, this is the pictures that I tried to add. The thing that I was missing is, or at least it didn't show earlier, but now it's showing. So you see 7-Eleven. This image, it's a PNG. This one is also PNG. And when you get selected, just tell it that you want it to be an image and import it as an image. And you literally have it. You can stick it to any wall you want. So just say I want to stick it here on the face. Get as big as small as you want. And then that's it. You just have to be a PNG image and you can add it. So yeah, we are done now. That's it. We are done with this. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna save it. Let's save it to the desktop. Let's just call it LOL. I love LOL. Desktop, save. Save again. OCD, and then close this. Okay, so now we saved it here. We have it here, LOL. Let's open Lumion. 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 This program is a powerful program. You can do a lot of rendering with it, and you can literally just create your own video game if you want. Because you can add humans walking, humans sitting down, human doing everything, and trees, and make everything realistic with winds and sunlight and all that. We're just gonna try to make it basic and easy just because we need an image. That's all we're gonna do. And by the way, this program, I have it on this machine, just a trial version. Just have it for this video. Yeah, I know. I'm just gonna try with the trial. And also another thing to use this program, especially if you want to do the video stuff. The video stuff, your benchmark results need to be impressive. As you can see, I have good CPU and the memory is good, but the graphic memory and the graphic card are horrible in this computer. So that's why it's gonna be strugglina. We do not want a strugglina. Okay, so yeah, let's go back. So you click on create new, and then you have all these environments to pick from, but we don't want that. We just want this, the design showcase. All of them have their own benefits, so whatever you want to do. And when you first get the design showcase, you're just basically gonna get this like empty world with stuff. This same house or deck or whatever you want to call it, you can actually create it in SketchUp if you want. So let's just go into basic here. First of all, you have nature. All these, you need to activate them first, then the tools will work. This is something that bothered me when I first started working. I was like, I'm clicking here, but I want this, it doesn't. And I'm just clicking, it doesn't do it. It turned out you need to activate it by clicking twice. See, clicking twice, and then it will get activated, and then the tools will work. Activate the transportation, the tools will work. First, let's start with the model. Activate the model. As you can see, I have my old models I was playing with, but what we want to do is we want to import the one we just did, just the LOL. And let's do it. Let's import it. Already exists? Why? Oh, because I did it before. Okay, well, let's just name it another LOL. Okay. So you just name it, make sure it's main default. Yeah, import. Yeah, if they are always check. Well, I check it. Sometimes you don't need to, but I check it. So let's just click on OK. And now it's gonna import it. And it's gonna be in your mouse like this. As you see, I have it. So just gonna put it here, like in the air. Oh. Actually, I'm gonna put it twice and then escape. Because I want to show you So remember, we are in a model, so now we can activate this. So I want to delete. So what I want to delete is, I want to delete this one. So when you see this silver bullets is basically the control points for all the models. Let's just delete this first. Just click on it while the delete is activated and it's gonna delete it for you. I'm gonna tell you here, delete, and you delete it. And then we have the first one I want to delete. It's gonna delete it for you. And then we have our baby here. So now we don't want to delete, we just actually want to move it. Just gonna click on it. I want to move it here. Yeah, and as you can see, the image is a little bit glitchy because it's blending with the face. I mean, I can go back and just give it a little bit of what's they call that? A little bit of, oh my god, silly me. Just give it depth. We can do that if we want to, and also you can move anything horizontal if you want to rotate it. As you can see, you can rotate it like this if you don't want to rotate it by mouse. And you can tilt it to the up and down, left to right. And you're just gonna pitch it a little bit like this. And also you can see you can do it like this if you want, but we're just gonna keep it 0. Maybe I should keep this 0 too. And then let's just move it up and down. So click on it. See, you can go to the ground or go up. It's up to you. I'm just gonna make it as close as I can to the ground. Okay, yeah. Okay, we're back. I just want to show you one cute thing. Well, it's important. I mean, I just went to Lumion website and just Googled the list for how you can move the camera up and down, and they actually have that here. They have that for you. Hold W and arrow up. You can move the camera front, back. Q is up and down. It's up. E is down. So let's just try these. So now I'm clicking on. You have to click on home and select the environment so you can know. I'm actually moving. I'm not clicking nothing other than the arrows. Top arrow, back arrow. You can move it like this, right to left too. And then Q, camera will go up, up to heavens. And then E, the camera will go down. Okay. While we are in this, I just want to go back again to models. And then let's just click on delete. See, I see this. It's the DOM. I deleted the DOM. Basically, it was like a DOM. It's part of the design model that was there, so we just deleted it. Just be careful. We only have this. This is the model. This is the main model. We had other models, but we don't want them. We just want this so we can have this environment for us. And also you scroll front with your mouse. Front and back will do this. So let's just take care of this because it's blending with the wall. I just want to give it depth. You can actually leave the program open. You can go back to SketchUp. Go back to this, which is LOL, and open it. Let me save first. Or save. Oh, I have to click on save as. Okay, so desktop, let's just save it as LOL. Save. Okay, it's saving. So now SketchUp opened. So when I said give it a depth, this is what I mean. Let's move the camera like this. I don't know if this is gonna do it. This basically will give us like that. You know what? Let's just delete it. And let's do what I'm trying to do right now. Okay, and then let's pull it up a little bit. You see, that's the depth I was talking about. Actually, I don't know if it's gonna help or not, but I think it will help. I think it will help. Let's go back again to File, Import, Desktop, 711 as an image. And then let's add it here. Then we can actually select it. We can move it. We can make it. Can I actually do that? Oh, yeah, I think I need to go scaling, right? Yeah, so just select scale. Try to put it like this. That's gonna look like an interesting 7-Eleven logo. Okay, well, we shall see. I hope this will help. I hope so. I hope so. You just have to play with it, I guess. Okay, and then let's do File, Save, and just close it. And now let's go back to Lumion. See, I'm clicking. I was in a save, now I'm gonna go back to build. This is where we were. So you'd still have the old model, so we wanna update it. This is how we do. Just click on it, double click this, select it, and you're gonna have it here. Just click on this, re-import. Basically, we'll update it. Yeah, see, it's better. Ooh. Still doing like the sun. Huh. Okay, let's click on it again. Okay, let's go to the sun. Just move the sun a little bit like this. So we want it to be here. And then we get to move it. Aha, okay. Yeah, I like this better. Yeah, I just still don't like how it is glitchy like that. But I guess you just have to move it and play with it. So now let's just get to the fun part. So let's select nature. And then double click on it. We want to add a tree. Just this lovely tree. We can add it anywhere we want. See, we want to add it here. I'm going to add another one here. One here. Another one here. I mean, it's up to you. Lumion have like a huge library for a lot of things, as you guys can see. But the problem is, since I have the free version, a lot of this stuff are Pro. They are blocked for me because I don't have the Pro version. I'm just playing with stuff here. Just add in few trees. Yeah, and now let's add cars. Well, let's add people first. Again, I'm also limited to people. Only a few people. I can add a guy here. And all these people that you can add, it's the same as you treated it. As you click here and you can utilize this tool. So if you want to select them, you see you have the guy. You want to rotate it. You can rotate his movement where you want it to go. You can move, let it look here or look there. It's up to you. Okay, let's add another human. Okay, she's pro too. Do we have non-pro? Maybe this one? Yeah, this lady. Come here, lady. She wanna go to, where's she going? Where are you going, lady? Oh, she wanna go 7-Eleven probably. So she's going to 7-Eleven. So what else do we need to do? Let's add cars. So you just click on the cars and you literally bring them here. You can make them walk here, and then if you want this one, we have another one. And also after you select this, you can click on it and you can rotate it. We want it to go there. What are those effects? Yeah, the last thing which I should have done before I did this, which is the material. This is the material. What we want to do is you click on material and then you select this. You see I selected this floor F08 because that's why I told you when you color it in SketchUp, you need to make sure everything that you want to be saw to be the same color, because you see they are highlighted in yellow. Because of that, we just want to go to indoor, and we want to do grass. You can actually do 2D grass or 3D grass. It will literally just do that for you, right? I don't like that. Let's go back to library material. Yeah, let's go to 3D grass. Yes. Here we go. Yes, you see the grass has been colored. Just because of the sun, I can show it to you later properly. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is, to escape, just click on escape and then go back and click on material, and then you want this. So all this, as you see, it's gonna be the same. Let's say outdoor. What do I want? I just want it to look like dirt, I guess. The soil. Here we go. See, it's soily. And then this, we want it to maybe rock. And then this, as you see, all the yellow ones are gonna be the same one. Just make them rock. Let's make them like this, and then let's do sidewalk. So for the sidewalk, we're gonna do, where's outdoor? Yes, concrete. Let's make it this light concrete. Okay, good. And now the bottom one, the asphalt. Let's go to outdoor. Let's go to asphalt. Let's make it an asphalt. Yay! And then you see color M00. I told you the white ones. He only highlighted the white ones. So let's just go to color. You can actually select color and you can literally just paint them white if that's what you want. That's what I'm doing. So they got painted white. Click on it, and then let's do the yellow one. Yes, the yellow one. And let's go to color, and let's just make it. It's already made it yellow for us, but you can change it. Okay, that's it. We don't have a billboard, but yeah, what I want to do is this thing, I want to color it as you know what, I want it to be a material, right? Where's the material? Outdoor. What do we have here? Roofing. Let's see what roofing look like. Looks like 7-Eleven, kinda, I guess. Oh no. Let's leave it as this one. Okay, that's it. And then click here, click escape. That's it. Let's go back to the sun. As I see, you can play with the sun. And since we're only gonna capture an image, this is so important to show. Important for you as a designer, what you want to show. You want to make the sun how you want the sun to be. It's up to you what you want to show. You just play with it as till you see is your point is getting across or not. So I'm just gonna leave it like that, and then let's go to photo. When you first have it, this has freaked me out. I'm like, what the heck is this? I didn't do that. It turned out all these are filters. We don't want them. We can just remove them. So double click twice and we'll delete them. Because these come with the designer room environment that we picked. So now we removed all those. You can add them actually from here as an effect. See, you have a lot of effect. It's up to you, but we just want to keep it simple like this. And also, while it's just like this, you can actually move it a little bit front and back till you see the proper image that you want. You can move it also here, there, like this. You can move it as close and go as far as you want. That's what we want. As you guys can see, I'm playing with it because I want. Also with the keyboard, front and back, right and left, it will do that for you. Yeah, just the 7-Eleven image, I don't like it. Ugh. I'm thinking about just removing it, but I'm not gonna do that because there are tricks to it. You just have to play with it and give it depth to Lumion pick it up for you. Because I did it before and it was great. Okay, perfect. Here we go. So now let's just click on render. Select poster. Desktop. Let's save it as LOL as usual and then save. Oh wow, I'm closing to an hour. Okay, it's rendering right now, so let me just pause the recording. Okay, I'm back. Let me just explain what happened because I had to do it twice. Again, you just have to play with it like this, move it right, move it left, move it back. And even when it's look like this here, after you go inside rendering, it might look better. So you just have to play with it. So let me just show you what happened. The first one we created, LOL1, this is how it looked like. This is the image. You see 7-Eleven is not showing. So you just have to move it around and I create LOL2 and it's working. Great, so now we have LOL2. So the last step, first of all, let's just close the program. We're done with it. Well, the last step is labeling. So we need to label, right? I mean, all these, where are they? Where's the typical sections? So the last step is labels. But before we do that, actually, we need to remove the background from the image. And when you say remove the background, this is how the image look like. So we just need to remove everything and just treat this as an item. I mean, if you have a Photoshop, that's gonna be easy breezy, cover girl. You can just click and do it. But if you do not have a Photoshop, I got an easy way for you. Literally just go to Google and type remove background free. There are a lot of websites. Try them. I tried a lot of them. This is the almost best one I found yet. And they keep adding, I mean, just free. Just literally just go to Google and type remove background. I found this website. I mean, there are a lot of them. So you just go to it and then upload the image. And then the website will do it for you for free. And of course, if you have Photoshop, that will be even great, because Photoshop is always better. Yeah, it's taking their sweet time because the image is so big, I guess. I'm gonna pause the recording again till we finish. Why it's taking time? Oh, okay, I do not need that then. Okay, good. So yeah, I mean, this is how you do it, right? This is just, I'm playing with it. Ta-da! You see, it removed it for us. As you can see, there are problems here because of the colors, which is I should have changed the sun, made the sun actually show here, so it will make all these so it doesn't confuse them. But again, if you have Photoshop, you should have done it with Photoshop. But for now, we're just gonna keep it as it is. You can go back and fix it and play with it. So let's save it as LOL and close this, and ta-da! Here's your final product. I mean, what I usually do is, I mean, it depends how fancy you want to go. You can just open PowerPoint and go do your labelings there. Let me just do that. Ooh. What's going on with my computer? Why are you being slow today? Okay, so let's just delete this, just delete this, and then let's just insert the picture that we just got. Let's go back here. Where's the image? Where's the image? Yep, that's one with no background. Then we have it here. You can make it as small or as big as you want, and then I mean, that's it. That's well, before we do that, let's just crop it, right? Oh, home image. Let me crop it a little bit. When I say crop it, usually like the bottom, so you can have space for the dimensions. I mean, it's up to you. You're in full control inside Microsoft PowerPoint. So just something like this, like literally, that's the fastest, cheapest way of doing it without being any fancier or any other programs. So you can do this and then Control C, Control V, and just start doing your labels. And even you can add the arrows too, especially for the ones here. I mean, if you want something like this, and then you just go to the shape and you want to make it an arrow like this, and then something like that, and you can change them actually in how they look, make them thicker, different color. It's up to you, and write whatever you want, and then just select all of them, and then Control G, right? Yep, to group them as one. And that's it, my loves. Thank you so much for watching, and that's how you can create a 3D model situation typical section on a budget in a little bit of ratchetness, but it will get the job done. Thank you so much.